In today's video I'm going to show you how to lag fix on your mobile device. Most of the time course to your lag is not enough RAM to run all the apps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up your RAM to get full power to work that you are currently doing. To do that easily, I will highly recommend app like this, because if you didn't use app like this, you have to do this to every app for each time. Go to Play Store and search for Stop Apps. Now I am using this app, but you can download any app that can force stop all the apps same time. But remember, that app need to force stop apps without rooting your phone. Don't worry to this type of force stop apps, because it can harm your device, because it won't root your phone. These are the apps that your phone is running. As you can see, even though you are not using these apps right now, these apps are running background on your RAM. If you force stop these apps, it stops running on background. This way you can free up your RAM to get full potential to your work. To force stop apps, click on Boost. Then like this, it will automatically force stop all the apps.
Become an electronics tester and test.
Now you can see this mobile device working smoothly. Thanks for watching.